has been spilled 3 times this entire video. Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a little paint with me, chit chat Q&A kind of video because I just want to talk to you guys and chit chat a little bit with you guys. So this is probably going to be a little bit of a longer video, but that's fine. I got my tea ready, so I recommend you also get a cup of tea and yeah, let's paint and chit chat. The first question is, what are you the best at painting? I'm probably really good at flowers, and I'm not really good at like lips and eyes and like faces, but I really like painting flowers because with flowers you cannot really do anything wrong, it's just a flower. I also haven't tried a landscape yet, just because for some reason I always find landscapes very boring, but I might try one. Where is your favorite place to paint? Probably in the woods with my best friend Esme. We've been there many times for the video clip we made. We've been there for the second day of the 30 days painting challenge. I just love being there, and it's not that far from my home, so we can actually just walk there, and yeah, it's really nice. What inspired you to start a YouTube channel? Probably, I don't even know. I always wanted to start a YouTube channel. Ever since I was like 13, I was always daydreaming about having a YouTube channel. And for some reason, right before my 17th birthday, I just decided that I was gonna do it. I was gonna start a YouTube channel and make DIY videos and crafty videos, and I did that, and that's the best decision I ever made in my life, because I am so grateful for every single one of you guys, and I'm so grateful I get to do something that I love every day. What's your favorite song slash film? I really love Hands by Flat Sound. I might even cover that song just because I'm really bad at singing, but it's really much more a poem than it is a song. And I think it's so incredibly beautiful. I really want to do a video on that song. And I've been listening to Flat Sound a lot lately, and I am actually like wanting to buy merch of Flat Sound. I don't know his real name. I think his real name is Mitch, but he goes by the name of Flat Sound. I highly recommend you check him out on Spotify because he's my favorite and he inspires me so much. Who slash what inspired you to paint? I don't really know. I've been drawing ever since I was very little, and with drawing lessons also came painting lessons, and then I stopped painting for a really long time. Like I quit painting when I was 15 and I'm now 19, so I haven't been painting in much over 3 years. But now I fell in love with painting all over again, and I never want to quit. So I don't really know what inspired me to painting again now. I guess it's like I've been seeing a lot of videos of people painting on their back pockets, and I wanted to do a video on that. And then I realized, what if my painting skills aren't as good as they used to be? And maybe I should practice before doing that video because I don't want to screw up any of my jeans. So then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna be painting a lot more and practicing, and then I came up with the 30 days painting challenge, and I've been loving it. It's the best thing I ever did, even though it's really hard work. I love doing this. Are you a dog or a cat person? I own a dog, but I also really like cats, so I guess I'm both. Someone commented multiple questions, so I'm just gonna answer all of them. What's your favorite plant? Right now I have this guy, and as you can see, he's getting pretty long. I got this mug from the thrift store for like 10 cents, which is basically free. And I feel like this is just such a cozy plant. I love it in my room. I love to use it in videos. You might have seen it in a few videos. And yeah, it doesn't have a name yet. We should probably give it a name. So comment a name down below for my plant over here. What's your favorite country? Probably Sweden or Norway. I visited Sweden and Norway multiple times, like many times. And I love it there. It's so, I don't know, it's just something in the atmosphere in Sweden and Norway is just so relaxing, calming, and I really feel like I can find myself there, I guess. And my favorite film, I have many favorite films, but I really like Lady Bird just because it's really aesthetic and just very relatable as a teenage girl because we go through a lot of stuff. How do you know what to paint or what gives you ideas on what to paint? So I save some pictures on Pinterest when I see something interesting that I want to paint or that maybe gives me some inspiration. And I also ask you guys on Instagram in polls like, what do you want me to paint today? So like I never really run out of ideas and it just comes naturally. Like I have so many ideas on what I'm gonna paint. So I don't even know if I can fit all those ideas into the 30 days challenge. So I might as well make more painting content after the challenge. I'm not saying I am gonna be painting every video from now on. I'm just saying there's gonna be more content like this coming even after the challenge. How old are you? I am 19 years old, but I don't have a birthday because my birthday is on leap day, which means I am 19, but I'm also 4, turning 5 next year. So yeah, I'm 19, but I don't have a birthday, which I find a very fun fact about me. This is actually a really good question. What do you plan on your career as an art student? I'm partly art student. I know I once uploaded a video saying like, oh, we get the life of an art student, but I'm actually a styling design student. And after my study styling design, because I will be graduating next year, I'll probably do something with video making, social media or something like that. I really just want to make videos in any way possible. So yeah, if I can make a career out of that, that would be awesome. What's your favorite thing about the Netherlands? Dutchie over here. Yes, a fellow Dutchie. So if you don't know, if you can't hear it from my accent, I'm Dutch, so I was born in the Netherlands, I live in the Netherlands, and my favorite thing about it is probably that we don't really drive our cars that much, we just take our bikes everywhere, and that's way better for the environment. So I guess we're really helping the planet out more than people in New York. So, but besides that, I kind of hate the Netherlands because the weather is just weird. Like this morning it was pouring raining and now the sun is out and it's really hot in my room, so I never know if I should wear a sweater or a t-shirt. How do you feel about all the appreciation on the 30 days challenge? It's awesome. I am so glad you guys like it because uploading every day is super hard, so I'm really glad that I get the appreciation that I kind of hoped I was gonna get for it. So yeah, it's definitely worth it. Do you have a virtual best friend? I actually do. Once upon a time there was a fight in the Instagram comments and someone said something mean to her, so I defended her, and then that same guy said something mean about me and then she defended me, and afterwards she DM'd me, or maybe I DM'd her, I don't remember, but it was like, hey, thanks for standing up to me, and I was like, yeah, sure, of course, and ever since then we've been sending each other memes, and we've been talking for like 1.5 years, I guess, and I've never met her, but I would like to. I don't know if she's watching this video or not, but if she is, shout out to you, you know who you are. What's your Hogwarts house? I don't know. I haven't seen any of the Harry Potter movies, and I know probably people in the comments are going to be hating on me for it, but I'm sorry, I just didn't grow up with Harry Potter, I guess. Maybe I should watch all the movies, but maybe one day. What makes you the happiest? Probably YouTube, because just video making in general makes me so happy, because I finally found a way to express myself in a way that I can show other people, and I finally found my talent, and I just love that, because for so long I didn't know what I was good at, and I used to be bullied, and now I just feel very much in my place. I feel happier. I am in a very, very happy place right now. So, and that's all because of YouTube and you guys, and yeah, I'm very grateful. Who is your inspiration when you're painting? I don't really have a muse. If you want to be my muse, just comment down below. You can be my muse, I guess. Do you have a favorite music genre? I mostly listen to rock and pop rock, but sometimes I really like to listen to, like, as I said, like flat sound. I don't know what genre I should put him. So, mostly rock. Love your channel. Thank you. Questions. Why did you start a YouTube channel? I don't know. I just always wanted to. And one day, it was February 14th, 2017, so Valentine's Day. And I just uploaded a video saying this is my first video, and it was a Dutch video. I don't have the video anymore, which is really sad because I really wanted to show it to you guys, but it was a Dutch video basically just announcing that I was going to be making content. No, but really I just always wanted to, and one day I just decided to do it, and I'm very happy I did. Do you sometimes feel like you shouldn't put so much effort into being aesthetic? I get a lot of questions on my Instagram and on my comments like, why are you so aesthetic? How are you so aesthetic? I don't know, it comes naturally. I just buy things I find aesthetic. I make things I find aesthetic. I listen to music that I find pleasing, and I'm just me, you know, and you are as aesthetic as you can be just by being you. You don't have to buy something just because you saw it on Pinterest. You don't have to dress a certain way just because you saw it on Instagram. You gotta wear what you want to wear, and you gotta buy what you want to buy, and you gotta listen to what you want to listen to, and that's aesthetic. Do you watercolor? Here's the thing, I am actually not good at watercoloring, so I might try in some video, but acrylics are my friend. Have your skills much improved? Yes. It's now day 14, and I feel like we're just getting started, but we're already like halfway through. But yes, my skills have improved a lot. I noticed within the first week that everything was getting easier, I was getting more motivated, and yeah, I think my skills have definitely improved. Why are you not viral yet? I don't know. You tell me. I am already very, very grateful with you guys and 10K, and the fact that I even got this far is already amazing to me. So, are you done with high school? Yes. The high school system is different in the Netherlands, but I guess you could say I'm in college. Why did you name your channel Pasteljulia? I used to like pastel colors very much, but I don't anymore. But I kind of already named my channel Pasteljulia, and I don't want to change it now because I already got to 10K with this name, and I want people to be able to find me. So I kind of just embraced it, and now that's just my channel name. What is your favorite movie? As I said, I really like Lady Bird. I also really like The Edge of 17. Baby Driver was one of my favorite movies. I really like Us. It's also a really good movie. I like thrillers, and the tea got spilled. I'm good now. Where did you learn to paint? I learned to paint in painting classes. Would you ever do a meet and greet? Yes, I would love to, But you all live in the USA and I'm over here in the cold Netherlands. This is also a question I get a lot. Do I have any siblings? Yes, I have two sisters, two little sisters. I'm the oldest. Their names are Sophia and Tessa. What's your favorite object to paint? Choose one thing or object. Sunflowers. What's your favorite planet? Saturn. Do you feel more or less inspired to start a long project? I guess a 30 days painting challenge is kind of a long project, but I was not afraid to announce it. I was not afraid to start. I was actually really excited, and I still am. I mean, imagine you have to make the same video 30 times in a row, and it has to be different and it has to be creative every time. And I could see that as a challenge, and it is a challenge. But to be honest, I have so many ideas that it isn't even a challenge to me anymore. No, I'm more inspired when I start a long project. Cooking or baking? None. I'm bad at both. I'm the worst cook and the worst baker you will ever meet. How are you doing? I am doing really good. I've never been better. I'm doing really good. Thank you all so much for watching, especially if you made it through the entire video. I know this was a long video. This is actually the longest video I've ever made in my entire life, probably. But I'm sorry if it was more talking than painting. I just wanted to focus on you guys' questions and answer as many as possible. Thank you all so much for your support, your love, and your questions. I really appreciate all of it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!